guys, today we're going to be customizing some Adidas Grand Courts. Now on these Grand Courts, we're going to be doing a butterfly design and like a girly theme shoe. So the colors, they're going to be some gift box blue, some purple, some pink, some petal pink, and these are optional, like gray, black, and white. White is just to like cover up your mistakes like at some places, and black we're gonna need just for like a few things, so like if you don't have it, it's all right. Gray we're gonna use, so I would recommend having it, but if you don't have it, that's all right too. And so what you're gonna need for this shoe, you're gonna need the paints and you're gonna need the shoe, obviously. You can have any kind of brush. I'm just using this big brush to cover up the bigger areas of the shoe. And then I'm having a small detail brush that I can use to cover up like the small parts of the shoe and the more detailed parts of the shoe. And you're gonna need some tape so that you don't make any mistakes, and if you do, they don't show. And so that's why you're gonna need some tape. And to make the tape precise, you could use a scissor, but I would recommend an X-Acto knife so that you get more cleaner cuts and more easier cuts. My X-Acto knife is actually on the way, but yeah. And so on this shoe, I was actually gonna use a butterfly. I was gonna freehand it, but since we're doing it on two shoes, I wanted to look professional. So I was going with a stencil, so it looks the same on both shoes. And yeah, that's all we need for this shoe. Let's get right into it. It's all taped up. Now, let's go into the first step. The first step is to paint this whole part right here blue. Everything that's not taped has to be painted blue all around the shoe. We don't want to paint this part blue because we're going to paint it a different color. So let's get straight into it. For the shoe, I'm going to be using a bigger brush so that it is easier to cover the whole ground. It's all done. The second step is to take this tape out so that you can put purple in it. Let's do that right now. As you guys can see, I took out the tape from the heel and I took out the tape from the stripes because that's mostly where we're gonna paint purple. So let's do it. This is how the shoe looks with all the purple added. Now we're gonna be using the stencils to do all the small details on the shoe, like the zigzag lines on the side and the butterfly pattern on the top. Now, let's get straight into it. Next, we're going to be taking the tape off the shoe. Now guys, since we're done with the purple, as you guys can see, it looks beautiful on the shoe. And now what we're going to do is make the second pair of the shoe. Let's do it. Let's get the second shoe in 3, 2, 1. Now that both the shoes are done, let's go ahead and put the finishing touches on the shoe.